Today, Excellency, we have had a wonderful one-on-one discussion and then bilateral discussion, and we covered gambit of whole set of areas, including trade, investment opportunities, exploring new avenues of cooperation, strategic and defense cooperation, tourism, agriculture, semiconductors, green energy, skilled labor, empowering youth, and so on and so forth. That together we will inshallah find new heights to promote our trade, commerce, investments, and of course non-traditional items which can have great potential for our bright future. Today, of course, we have discussed possibility of exporting to your great country halal meat to the tune of $200 million per annum, and of course we have discussed export of basmati. Malaysian boys and girls would come and get their education in Lahore, Karachi and other places. Your Excellency, in defense cooperation and security cooperation, we are absolutely ready to further enhance this area through mutual cooperation, and your desire would be my command. And very forthright stand on Gaza, pressed people of Palestine, and of course this recent attack in Lebanon. I think our hearts and contemporary history, this kind of genocide, carnage, there's no parallel to that. I hope and pray to God that through our joint efforts, a ceasefire could be put in place. The unsettled question of Kashmir, Your Excellency, is a matter of great concern for a peaceful world and of course Islamic world. Innocent people of Kashmir are struggling for their basic rights and still have to be given their right of self-determination. Kashmiris are brave people and they have fought all these trials and tribulations with great courage, and I'm sure one day soon they will get their basic right and become a free country one day soon, inshallah.
Shukriya, Prime Minister Shahbaz, Sharif. We have had extensive discussions. It's amazing. It's only through, and we still import. We import from other countries. I don't see any reason why we can't import from Pakistan. We don't have an issue with the halal certification. But we'll go through the process and we'll certainly speed up the import from Pakistan. We do import rice, and we have agreed the initial 100,000 metric tons. We'll see the price mechanisms, etc. I can assure you there's no differentiation in terms of import duty imposed. In fact, I'm pleased to announce to you that the trade office, Smart Trade, will open next month in Karachi. Our focus on the professionals required to satisfy the new demands, huge, massive investments, probably the largest in the ASEAN region in terms of IT, digital and AI. And I'm pleased, alhamdulillah, that Malaysia is regarded as one of the important hubs for semiconductor industry. We discussed in a variety of issues on special economic zone, on the issue of trade investments, on military and defense procurement, particularly in areas that you have been able to succeed, even in collaborating with Turkey. Thank you very much for the addition of 4 flights. Malaysia look forward to increasing that because there are some triple sort of interest, triple numbers of tourists from Malaysia to Pakistan. Some of the international concerns. I followed your speech at the United Nations General Assembly, compelling case to respect human rights, justice all over the world, and you made a compelling case for Palestine and Gaza. On Kashmir, which you discussed, because we have said clearly that we are committed to support the United Nations Security Council resolution.